Have you ever been like, well, I wish I had TikTok coins, but I'm just not interested in paying? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get quite a nice balance of TikTok coins for free. So with this method, you do not have to pay for TikTok coins. This is a modded TikTok, if that makes any sense, but I will be showing you guys how to download it, so it's really straightforward. I'll turn the camera around so you guys don't have to watch me like hold it like this, but this is super cool, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So I'm going to show you how to get the TikTok coins. So as you can see, I got 17,000 coins right now. Pretty nice, right? So what do you do? Well, what you need to do is go to this website called ZooMods, which has a bunch of mods for apps and games. We're going to go to the search bar and we're just going to type in TikTok. So as you can see, guys, it says TikTok coins mod. So just press on that, wait for it to download. You're going to be all set. So be sure to try it out, guys. It's super insane. And then you just got to wait for this to download pretty much. Alright, so if you go to the search bar and type in TikTok, you can see the coins ain't cheap, so I'm just going to type it in right here. As you can see, we go in-app purchases, you can see it's super expensive. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go and try it out. See you guys in another video. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. But yeah, I mean, personally, I'm not really sure why people are like paying for TikTok coins and stuff. I mean, and this method is totally working, guys. You can get so many coins for free, guys. It is insane. So be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super cool. And I'm always trying to like just help people out because like they have no coins. But as you can see, I got tons of coins. So be sure to try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. It's a fully working method, guys. So get the word out right now. And all you gotta do, guys, is just go to ZooMods. You're gonna be all good to go. And then just type in TikTok. It should come up. So be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. And yeah, it's fully updated and everything like that. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. You can get a ton of TikTok coins using this method. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, bro. Look how many coins I got. Damn, bro. So be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Super cool, guys. Fully working method. You know how it is. So I'll see you in another video. Subscribe to the channel. Peace out.